Hi guys, racing penguin time. So I picked up these 6 penguins in a charity shop. I'm going to race each one against each other, just 2 at a time. So I reckon that's 15 races. Right. 6 and 5. I'm going to start them with the back of their legs against this line and try and get them to run up to that line. So not very far. But I've noticed some of them don't go very straight. That was a good fail for a start. Try that again. I'll point them that way a little bit. Right. So number 5 isn't going very straight at all. Number 6 has made it to the line. So 5 has failed, 6 is 1. So 6 and 4 this time. Because if 6 wins all of them, then I only need to do 5 races. Yep, 4 has failed. He is actually making it to the line though. Okay. Oh, destruction. Have to re-race that one. Stand a bit further apart. Oh, it's close. 6 has crossed the line, haven't they? But that was very close. I'll put him to one side, we might give him another go. But I'd say 6 won that. 6 and 2. Try and find a way of holding them. Should have a re-race there. If he'd have gone straight, he might have done better. Cross the line again. Close though. I'll put him over there for another run. And so 6 was a clear winner there again. So you can go over there. Let's try 3 and 2 against each other. That's got to be a re-race, hasn't it? I reckon 2 would have won that if he hadn't stuck at the beginning. Go on 2. Whoa. Oh, come on. How close was that? Best of 3. Got a problem, that one, hasn't they? He still crossed the line first. I'm going to go 6 and 2 again. Change sides. Come on. Some problem with this guy, isn't there? I reckon 6 was the winner. 2 looks like he was faster, but he's got problems. And 3 was the next, and then the others were not so good at all. That'll do.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.